Good morning on this wonderful sunny day. Dave here from Burton Caravan Centre over in Stafford. Today we're showcasing the 2019 Valet Pegasus Grande Rimini. Currently on the market for £17,495. So we're just going to have a walk around it, have a look inside it, talk about the size of the caravan and the weights, and then also our services here at Burton Caravan Centre. So starting on the offside part of the caravan, you can see I've already opened quite a few lockers because it's more difficult with one hand. So straight away we have a storage locker with plenty of space there, and you can see there it goes right through to the other side. We then have your water inlet here, and then we have a nice outside shower as well, wash off the dogs or anything like that. We have the gas locker where we have space for 2 gas bottles at a time. And of course, because it's the single fixed bed, we have more storage under here as well. And then at the back we have the flush tank and the toilet cassette, but also space for your liquids and whatnot if you need anything in there as well. So the offside part of the caravan, there's no dents, marks or scratches. We have the nice blue vinyl there all the way down and highlighting the Grande size there. So what you might not be aware of is the Grande on the wording of the caravan just basically means it's 8 foot wide. So it's 2.45 meters wide. It just gives that extra space inside it. It's just really nice. I particularly prefer it when it's a transverse bed, but yeah, so that's what it means. As I say, it's on the market for £17,495. The MIRO weight is 1,343 kilograms, and then the MTPLM is 1,600. Body length is 5.89, shipping length is 7.39, and yawning size is 10.33. But as I say, it is 8 foot wide, which is just lovely when you're inside the caravan. It gives extra space. So another feature that we have on the caravan is the Alco traction control. Of course, you've got your A-frame there with all your stabiliser and jockey wheel. Come around to the near side, very similar to the other side. We don't have any dents, marks, scratches or anything like that on the panel. We have your external gas BBQ point just here, and again we have the other side of the garage door here, which goes all the way through, so a nice bit of storage again. Coming down, we have a switch for your power, for your motor mover, for your isolator key, which is a nice little feature on the outside. Then we have your electric hookup, and then we also have a 3-pin plug and TV aerial where you would have an awning, so that's just a really nice feature to have. Again, no dents or marks or even cracks on the windows. Everything is in good condition. Coming around the back, nice styling with the chrome effect. It's a bit noisy around the roadside, sorry about that. Chrome effect around the top there where it says Bailey, and then you've got the nice Pegasus Grande there as well. So let's go into the caravan. As I say, it does come with a motor mover as well, just while I'm here. You have the Powertouch Classic manual engager, and then let's go in. So again, we have the nice grab handle here for stability. You've got storage straight away underneath the sofa, and let's have a look at the lounge then. So we have a nice G-shape configuration, and you've got a nice removable table there as well. Down below we have the fuse box here. Oh no, we don't, we have more storage. It changes in every year. Electrical plug here, and again more storage to that garage area just below the sofa. The condition of the sofas are really good. Again, there's no marks or torn areas. The table, there's no denting to the work surface at all, no delamination of the wood either. And let's just come around the whole sofa. Coming up top, we have plenty of locker space. Again, all the hinges and latches are in good working order. We do have a stereo system as well with speakers either side, and your face plate will be on there as well. TV aerial and everything there, but plenty of storage in the lounge area. You've got the decorative curtains, you've got your blackout blinds as well as your fly screens, and that's across all windows as well, including the big one in the middle. Coming into your kitchen area, we've got a lovely sized area, to be honest, to be working on. You've got your big drawer just below the sink with your cutlery tray as well, and then we have the big storage shelves underneath with all your gas isolators as well. And again, all the latches are working perfectly. Got a nice splashback, which I believe the previous customer had done. We also have the Truma panel, because it's the hot blown air system, and there's the vents darted around the Caravan as always. We've got the extra hard top work surface here above the hob. The hob is a 3 gas burner with a hot plate, and then of course we do have the grill and the oven. And as always, the cleaners have done a fantastic job. It doesn't even look like it's been used, and the glass is spotless. You might notice when we do our videos we don't have the gas knobs on, and we do take them off while they are in the yard, just in case some sticky fingers happen to come across them. We do have storage here for another freestanding table, so that can be used inside or outside the Caravan. We have some more shelves up above, and then the lockers as well. Moving around to the other side, we have your fridge that is dual fueled, so you can run on electric or gas. We have even more storage here. You've got your TV area with your plug sockets next to it, and then your microwave above. You've got your control panel as well with another shelf, and then one more cupboard up here, and that also hosts the solar panel regulator as well. Solar panel's great, especially if you want to go off grid. It just trickle charges that battery when not in use. So yeah, it's just a really nice feature to have. We do have the privacy screen coming across, which is on a magnetic latch, which just connects to over there. So you can still have that privacy. The Rimini has the 2 fixed single beds. Of course, you can lift them up and you have all that storage. Obviously, we had the external access outside as well on that side. And yeah, it's just a really comfortable space. Again, you've got your decorative curtains and your headboards as well. And we also have the 2 lockers above each side. So again, just loads of storage in this 4-berth Caravan. We've got a shelf either side of the bed with your lights underneath as well. And then coming into the bathroom, we've got this nice chrome strip, decorative, and again there's no damage to it at all. Coming in, we have nice sized toilet area with a wardrobe behind. Plenty of hanging space there and a shelf up above. We do have the vanity area with more storage and shelves there, and again more storage with a big mirror just there. Nice size shower. Again, the previous owners put some hooks in there for bits and bobs, and then you got your shower there. I would say that's probably about 6'4". I'm 6'2". It's above my head, so plenty of room in the shower. And then just looking back down to the front of the Caravan, we'll close the door behind us. So yeah, that is the 2019 Pegasus Grande Rimini. currently on the market for 17,495. In terms of service from Burton Caravans, when a caravan is bought from us, it gets a full service. So even before it gets handed over to you, we've checked it out, we've done all the tests and everything that we need. You get habitational report, CO2 report, all the tyres are checked over, and if they're out of date, they get replaced. Once it's had its service, it comes back to us, it gets a full valet again, inside and out, so it's in the best possible condition before handover. As part of our service, we also do video demonstrations, so we'll send a series of videos over to you on WhatsApp, just demonstrating how to set the caravan up, all your water system, heating system, etc., just so you have them to hand when you get to site. We do offer part exchange, and also we do offer finance options as well. And just to add it in, we do offer a 6-month warranty with this caravan. Obviously we do extended warranties, which we can discuss at a later point, but straight away it's been fully serviced and we back it up by a 6-month warranty. We've also won the Gold Award for the last 3 years running for the best second-hand caravan dealership. So come put your trust in us. Myself, Dave and Billy are at the Stafford branch 7 days a week, and yeah, give us a call and we'll talk soon.